Hey friends, ever wondered how to live a super healthy life? And maybe even hit 100 plus? Well, it's not some magic potion, I promise. It's all about small, science-backed habits you can start today to live longer and feel better. And no, you don't have to live in a cave or eat only kale. I'm going to break it down for you. It's easier than you think.
Chapter 1, Why Longevity is Achievable.
All right, let's get into it. We've all heard of those people living to 100 plus flu zones like in Okinawa or Sardinia, right?
Good news! You can boost your chances of a long life with simple daily habits. No expensive treatments needed, just a little knowledge and consistency.
And science says, stuff like moving your body, eating whole foods, and hanging out with friends can make a huge difference.
Chapter 2, The Key Habits to Live to 100 Plus.
Let's dive into the habits that give you the best shot at longevity.
1. Move your body every day. Now hold up, don't roll your eyes yet. You don't have to run a marathon. Just 30 minutes of walking or stretching daily can keep your heart healthy, joints flexible, and even boost your mood. You can do it while watching TV or walking the dog. Just keep moving.
2. Eat like you love your body. We all love burgers, but real whole foods like fruits, veggies, and healthy fats are the winners here. And don't stress about being perfect. A little indulgence is okay, but focus on fueling your body most of the time.
3. Hang out with people who make you smile. Social connections, they're a big deal. Spending time with friends or family reduces stress and boosts happiness. 2 key ingredients for a long life.
Hi.
So, call up a friend next time you're feeling down. Laughter truly is the best medicine.
Chapter 3, DIY longevity tips to try at home. Now let's get practical. Easy tips you can do today to help you live longer and feel great.
1. Drink lemon water first thing. Simple one. Drink lemon water in the morning. It's hydrating, packed with vitamin C, and great for your immune system and skin. Start your day right.
2. DIY anti-aging face mask. Want glowing skin? Mix honey and turmeric. Honey hydrates and turmeric fights inflammation, helping you stay youthful. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse, and boom, instant glow.
3. Drink herbal teas like ginseng or turmeric. Want a drink that fights aging from within? Try herbal teas like ginseng or turmeric. They're packed with antioxidants that slow aging. Drink up for your health.
Chapter 4, Conclusion. There you have it, simple habits and easy DIY tips to help you live a longer, healthier life. Small steps, consistency, and choices that support your body and mind every day.
So, what's your number 1 tip for staying healthy? Drop it in the comments, I want to know. And if this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more doctor-approved tips on living your best life.
Until next time, stay healthy, happy, and awesome.